Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. In the beginning, enter Google Maps. Tap button in the right corner, or here if your maps are not updated. Go to Offline Maps and select your own map. Now adjust the area you want to download. For example here, tap download and wait a bit. Enter your map. Now you can turn off the Wi-Fi and mobile data and navigate offline in the area you downloaded.
GPS signal lost.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.